Hi, DJ Chloe. My story is somewhat parehas nung letter sender mo na si Marian. I decided not to comment sa comment section para na rin sa privacy. Yung story ni Marian, same as mine. Well, sort of. Magkaiba kami ng konti. I'm 20 years old and the guy I am dating is 43 years old. More than 2 years na kaming ganon. And yes, physical attraction lang yon sa kanya. Pero sa akin po kasi, hindi. May pamilya na siya. Ilang beses na akong nag-attempt na hiwalayan siya, pero hindi ko pa rin kinakaya. I focused on my studies and sa negosyo ng pamilya, pero napakahina ko pa rin pagdating sa kanya. We are very compatible with each other. Kaso pag naiisip ko naman na walang patutunguhan lahat ng to, kahit sobrang saya naming magkasama, biglang bumibigat yung nararamdaman ko. Gusto kong maging martir at magstay sa kanya kahit alam kong sa huli, ako rin talaga ang mas masasaktan. Mahal ko siya, Chloe, pero siya, nararamdaman ko, oo. Pero may pagkakataon din na mas matimbang yung kailangan niya lang ako kaysa mahal niya ako. Ni hindi niya nga masabing mahal niya ako. I know naman kasi na hindi naman talaga. May pamilya kasi siya. Hindi ko din alam paanong gagawin ko, basta ang alam ko, masaya ako pag magkasama kami kahit konting oras lang lagi ang meron kami. Miss Genesis. Hi Genesis, thank you for your letter. You know what, you're too young to be a mistress. Sabi mo, you're, 20 years old? The guy is 23. Naku naman. Masyado namang inuubos ni sir yung kabataan mo. I feel sad that, you're wasting your youth on someone who is clearly just taking advantage of you. Siguro ngayon, hindi mo pa yan masyadong nakikita kasi baby ka pa eh. You're such a baby. Tapos tong lalaki, mama na. Okay, anyway. Yun lang kasi medyo hindi fair, no? He doesn't need to exert much effort for you. All he needs is probably tell you that he loves you, pakiligin ka ng konti, pulahin na mas maganda ka, mas bata, mas mahal ka niya, mas nakakausap ka daw niya kesa sa asawa niya kasi yung asawa niya bungangera, ganun. Mas magaling ka, mas sariwa ka at kung ano-ano pa. But at the end of the day, do you know what you are doing? You're making him a very lucky person, a very lucky man by letting him enjoy the best of both worlds. He has a wife, to serve him at home, waiting for him, always at his beck and call, and to sleep with him when you're not there. And he also has you to sleep with him when the wife is not available. Diba? He is enjoying the best of both worlds. You're only 20. Do you know how nice it is to date a guy your age or maybe a bit older than you? Get to know each other, talk about things you both can discuss kasi ka-frequency mo siya. Don't get me wrong. I don't have anything against May-December affair. If you're 20, you're dating someone who's 43, 50, it's okay if that's your thing for as long as ikaw lang. Alam mo yon, walang sabit. Maganda rin yun eh. Kasi I know some friends, mapalalaki, mapababae, mas gusto nila yung medyo mas may edad sa kanila, mas mature. Kasi kumbaga meron silang napag-uusapan. Meron silang, at the end of the day, you have something to talk about, diba? It's also nice kung kaedad mo, wala namang problema dyan. Sabi ko nga, I don't have anything against, dating an older, more mature person for as long as legit, sana na ikaw lang, alam mo yon. Wala kang kahate, wala kang ganitong problema kasi mahirap yan eh. Baka mamaya kasama mo yan sa isang mall, bigla na lang may humablot sa'yo. Tapos, alam mo yon, kinakaladkad ka na sa buhok mo kasi natsyempuhan kayong dalawa sa mo. You don't wanna be viral like that. Who would love to go viral pero hindi sa ganong paraan. And we've seen things like that happen. Diba? The guy is your 20s, 43, is old enough to be your father. Kung mahal ka niya, bibitawan niyan asawa niya para sa'yo. Ganon lang. Diba? He'll make things, he'll make an honest woman out of you. Hindi ko naman kinukonsente na sinasabi dapat bitawan niya. Pero diba? Napaka-selfish. Napaka-selfish niya lang na gusto niya dala-dalawa kayo. Sabi nila, di umano. biglang disclaimer, mga lalaki daw, 99%, ihain mo sarili mo kahit may asawa, hindi ka raw tatanggihan. Lalaki man yan kasi walang mawawala dyan. Well, mabuking man yan, ikaw pa rin ang lalabas na masama. Kasi alam mong may asawa, pinatulan mo. But it always takes two to tango. Worst, sasabihin, you lured him to making battle sa'yo. 'Di ba? Parang nilandi mo or something. Ito, wives, sabi nila, hindi sila nagagalit sa asawa nila pagka nagloloko. Galit sila dun sa babae. Kaya nga yung babae yung nag-viral, di ba? Ine-eskandalo, sinasaktan, sinasabunutan. Mapatawad nila yung asawa nila, especially when they have kids. That's the sad part. Especially if economically they are, dependent on the guy. Magtitiis para sa mga anak, buo ang mga anak. So ikaw ang magsasuffer talaga kasi ikaw ang sasabunutan yan. Kakalad ka rin, iskandaluhin, ipapahiya. And I've seen these things happen. So magka-chat naman tayo sa inbox ko. I asked you if you were happy being in this situation and you answered yes. Then, if you said yes, there should be no complaining about anything if you're really happy. Diba? Pero ang tanong ko naman sa'yo, are you really happy? Are you just telling me or are you convincing yourself? You're trying to convince yourself. So, yeah, that's all I have to say. Sabi nga nila, you will never find the right person if you never let go of the wrong one. Miss Genesis, I hope makalabas ka sa sitwasyon na to. Na para sa akin, dehado ka. Pero kung sa tingin mo naman panalo ka, walang problema doon. Because at the end of the day, it's you. Whatever decision you have to make, ikaw rin naman ang haharap sa magiging consequences ng mga decisions mo. Ipagpatuloy mo, ikaw haharap. Iputulin mo, baguhin mo lahat, iwanan mo siya, go on a clean slate, ikaw din ang kumbaga tatamasa ng mga magandang desisyon na gagawin mo. So there you have it. That's our Chloe's Unbox for today.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.